So today, Leslie gets this wild hair and says, let's go for a family bike ride. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't ridden a bike in a very, very long time. Now we've got a dirt road that I'm going on right now, and I'm taking my Osmo with us so I can test out to see how well it does on this, on this really rough road. I don't know why the thing is acting all wonky, but I think it just needs some balancing. So far my opinion of the Osmo is kind of, yeah, it might just be me, not the Osmo. You know how hard it is to ride a bike one-handed down a really rough gravel road? It's hard. But caught up with everyone else. Yay! Okay. Back on the road. Maybe this thing is all over the place. Okay, so we made it to the store. I took the case off my phone, and it seems to be a little bit better balance with my Osmo. Just a little. It's hard to get it perfect. It's kind of frustrating and difficult. We're getting some allergy medicine for the boy. Wait, that way. That boy. So, bike ride was successful. Nobody hurt themselves. It's time to go shopping. I'll show you our little store. Check it out. Wouldn't be right if you didn't have toys. And alcohol. Let's check out the ice cream. This is the best section right here. Oh man, they're not on sale anymore. These were 3 for $10, now they're $5. Tillamook, dang good ice cream. Does everybody have red button ice cream where they're at? Far's is a local ice cream. It's not as good as advertised. Bear Creek caramel ice cream. That sounds good. Ding dongs. They're new. When Leslie's not here, I'll come back and get some. We could sample them. But not right now, because she won't let me. We're having a family thing. Oreos. Let's see. Need to see if they have the pina colada Oreos. Doesn't look like it. I'm not seeing it. Nope. No pina colada Oreos. Girls found the free cookies.
You bet.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cookie. We've earned it. So this is our little town market. Small and simple, but does the job. And they give out free cookies. All right, so we're almost back home. Over here is a beef jerky plant. This is where Good 7, Bad 13 works. Check out his channel. I would say it's been a successful bike ride today. Nobody crashed. And after taking the case off of my phone, maneuvering around here. After taking the case off of my phone, hooking it up to the Osmo, it's a little better. It still feels like it's weighted at an angle. It still doesn't seem to follow my direction any better when I do the little joystick thing. I don't know. It might just still take a little bit of getting used to. But hold on, curb. Okay. So, am I 100% sold on it? No. It does make recording things a lot smoother. I will say that. Once I do the editing, we'll see how well it really holds up with some of the rougher parts of the road. But all in all, it's all right. Got to see a little bit of my town, I should say, not necessarily city. But it was a fun bike ride. So, time to go back on the bumpy road. Let's see how well it holds up this time. Let's see. Here we go. Ugh. Okay. If it can absorb stuff on this, then it's an A+. Hey. I was resting it on my bike there for a second, and that's why it got a little rough. But trying to absorb some of the bounces in my hand. Oh, still having a hard time getting it to move how I want it. It might take, once again, a little bit of getting used to. But back on the smooth road. So far, I would say it's still about here till I get past the learning curve. My neighbor mowing the lawn. Okay, let's see if we got any fan mail today, shall we? We did! Oh my gosh! AKA Our Life sent us something. Pay off your credit cards and something from Wells Fargo. So far, the best thing's been something from AKA Our Life. Whoa! And by the way, if you haven't already subscribed to AKA Our Life, that's AKA, like the letters, Our Life. They have the most gosh darn ridiculous, adorable dog ever. Like, it's the cutest. So, love their channel. Definitely, hopping off the bike. Definitely check them out. They are, they're a great, fun channel. Okay, so, back home. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to us. Make sure to subscribe to AKA Our Life and Good 7, Bad 13. Check them out. All right, we'll see you later. Bye.